Hi, my name is Samantha Squires. I am 26 years old and I live in a small town outside of Kansas City, Missouri. I live with my husband and my dog Oliver. We are currently expecting our first little one who is due in May, well, at the end of May, so we timed it perfectly. Um, in my free time, I really like to read. I have an entire bookshelf of mystery novels. Those are pretty much my favorite. Uh, my favorite author is Chevy Stevens. She writes really good mystery novels, really good thriller pieces. Something unique or fun about me, I'm a high school dance team coach. So I coach in Platte City, Missouri. We have our first competition this weekend. The girls have been working really hard and I'm super excited for them to compete. I also am a para in Platte City at the middle school. I work typically with sixth grade social studies, but some days I am in seventh and eighth grade as well, but I'm only in social studies. That's the only subject they have me in. What's my perfect job? A sixth grade social studies teacher. I love social studies. The faculty I work with is amazing. Sixth grade's just a really fun age because they're almost out of elementary school and they're kind of transitioning to being middle school and more independent, and I really enjoy that age. Um, so the video that hits home for me was Class Act. Our SPED department at the middle school that I work at does the same thing, and the kids love it. It is amazing. They will go around the school and let kids know about it. They send teachers emails about what they have coming up with, like the coffee. They even make brownies, Rice Krispie treats. We are the Platte City Pirates, and they do a pirate tea. So it's really awesome to see them get to do that. And right now, because of COVID, we had to make it all COVID friendly. So they have a drive through. They set it right outside of their classroom door, and you have to walk by. They have a glass divider and everything, but you have to walk by and pick up your drinks because typically they would deliver it. But it still gives them that good life skill. They get to work with the money, they get to talk and interact with the different teachers who might not typically see them. So that kind of really hit home because it's something that I get to see every day, and I do get to see that it makes such a difference. And the interactions these kids get, especially now, because they're only in their classroom with their peers and they don't get to have those interactions due to COVID. And I think that's so important that they get that time to interact with others. I look forward to a wonderful semester and I can't wait to work with you guys. Bye.